Hi everyone, it's Jackie with Paper Moments, and I wanted to share with you a photo album that I created, mini album that I created using the Graphic 45 Flutter collection. This mini album is based off of my tutorial that I created using the Bloom collection from Graphic 45. So a little bit of changes in it, but basically the same as far as the tutorial goes. So the book measures, let me find my ruler because I don't remember, just to be accurate here. All right, so it measures 9.5 by 6.5. So my pages are 6 by 9 inside. And on the for the front cover, I've used one of the cut aparts and layered it onto some of the paper and cardstock. This right here, the white and the wreath type of the twine is from 49 Market that I had purchased through Tammy a while back, and I don't think she has it anymore. These other ones are from my stash, and then this butterfly was from my stash, and then I used one of the stickers down here and just added it on. Here is the spine, and I just used some of my ribbon from my stash. The spine measures 2.5. And I put that on with one of the Tim Holtz little charm holders. And then the back, I just took another sticker, made a pocket out of it, and then added a tag from the stickers as well. This collection is just absolutely gorgeous. I did add a piece of cardstock here using one of the Martha Stewart Porter punches here. The colors in this collection is just amazing, and I just loved it. So going with the tutorial from my Bloom collection, it's pretty basically the same, a little bit decorated a little bit differently, but the pages are formatted to exactly the tutorial, which you can find on my YouTube channel, and I will link the address for the tutorial on the bottom of this description. So over here I have a magnetic closure, and then I had, for some reason, I was able to have two packs of the journaling cards, so this helped me decorate a little bit different. So I added one of the journaling cards here, and I just love the back of these journaling cards. The colors, the graphics are just absolutely gorgeous. So this will flip up here, and you're going to have a full page here that's going to allow you to put a couple of photos here, or one large 5x7 cut down. And then I have two photo mats on this one here already. And this folds open, and then you have a large area here, a large area here for more photos. And then I have a photo mat here, and this is all open to add your photo into it. And that's the cover, and that just goes right back on there, and it's all magnetically held down. Over here, I've got the seam binding, and on this seam album I use the pink, the green, and the yellow, which you can find at Country Craft Creations Tammy's store. And she does have a few more of the paper pads left. She has the 12 by 12 and I believe the 8 by 8. She has some stickers. She has a couple, one of the die cuts, I believe, and I'm not sure if she has the journaling cards or not. So each page is, like I said, is a 6 by 9. They all have a pull-out photo mat that I've created on both sides, and that just slides back in there. This opens up, and like I said, I had extra journaling cards, so I used that for a lot of my decoration. So I just added one here as a tuck spot, added another one of the larger 4x6 journaling cards. It still gives you plenty of room for a photo here, to add more photos here, to put a photo on the back of this. This opens up, and again, another text spot with the journaling card, and I just added one of the smaller ones there. Still room for photos. Another area here for more photos. Isn't the paper just gorgeous? I love it. This I left blank. I fold it down. This folds down. I added a journaling card here. Great place for journaling, and then more places for journaling here with the photo areas there. And that just folds back over, and we'll tie that up. And then we fold this over, and then we have just a pocket here, which gives you a nice area here for a photo. And then there's another journaling card here that I matted, so you can use the back for a photo. This one is another photo mat that I made. Didn't cover the back of this, but you can still use, this will hold 2 nice sized photos there. And then I used some of the stickers and created like a little text spots, and I added one of the journaling cards. And again, just beautiful. These are just simply beautiful. So those just go right in there. Over here is the 2 pockets. On the top pocket, I used created 2 photo mats using some of the stickers and one of the journaling cards, and they just tuck right in there. On this one here, I've got a little photo book in here using one of the journaling cards. So again, and these pockets are big enough that you can hold lots more photos in there, as you can see. And again, this one has the pull-out photo mat as well, as did this one. And then you flip it over, and again, more beautiful paper. I just love this paper. Using the green seam binding on this one, again, left this because I just love the paper, and to add photos there would be beautiful. I flip this over, and again, another text spot using one of the journaling cards. And then over on this side as well, another text spot using the journaling cards. Left these blank so you can have room for more photos on that one. Over here we have a little pocket that holds a journaling card. Again, beautiful graphics and colors. This is a little photo mat book that I created using one of the journaling cards. And then another photo mat, and this just has a text spot. I use the journaling cards to make text spots, so you can put a photo up here or just add a photo in here. And then use the back of this for journaling as well. So, and these actually holds down this this page, because this is going to flip up like this. This is going to flip down, so you've got room up here for a nice 4x6 photo. Another area down here for a 4x6, and then these 2 swing open. You left room, solid paper here for journaling, and then a nice full page for photos. And you can do journaling here and put little photos on that as well. So this folds up, this comes down, and we're going to stick these back in here, which holds this flap down, and then this just tucks in here like that. And again, another photo mat that slides out. And then here's the matching pages on the next 2 pages. And I use the yellow seam binding on this. Each one of these is a pocket that's going to hold, and I have more journaling cards, so I may just put those in here right here. And then you just flip them over, and it gives you a full landscape for a picture. Again, another photo or pocket for photos. Another area for a picture, again, and then you've got your photo mat inside here. And on this one, as you can see, I coordinated the papers to match on each side. So again, pocket, photo area, pocket, photo area, a pocket, a photo area, and then again, the photo mat itself. these up real quick. And then again, you've got your photo mat that slides out, that has room for 2 good-sized photo areas on each side. And then you have one more back here, and again, this paper is just beautiful. G45 does an awesome job with their colors. Little tuck spot here with 2 journaling cards, full page for photos, and that would just be 2 photos on there with against those colors would be awesome. Again, another full page for photos. You can put a photo up here and then a photo on the back of this, or journaling, and just a tuck spot in there. And the last page, which is the back of the cover, I mirrored the front as same as the front cover. So you have a magnetic closure here, a journaling card, lots of room for photos, and again, this paper is just so beautiful. To add the photos on there would just be gorgeous. We left the front top plain so you can add photos there. Gave you 2 photo mats. Oops. 2 photo mats here. And then you open it up, and again, a full page for photos. A little tuck spot on this one where put a photo here, photo mat here, and then again a journaling card for journaling, little journal, and plus room for a photo. And that folds over, put that back, and that is the album using the Flutter collection by G45. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye.